Technology is never measured by size. The Prismlab micro-nano 3D printing technology can do it. Its impact on fine product production cannot be underestimated. These tiny miracles bring our visions to life. It connects imagination with reality through light points. There are also digital systems that allow us to experience the impossible. Make every production faster and more. From the manufacturing of new medical devices to precision industrial components, there are countless end applications. For example, ceramic blade, glaucoma drainage devices, precision gears. No matter how small the product is, it can be printed with high-precision micro-nano 3D printing by Prismlab.